Welcome back. In Part 1 we explored regulatory, warning and mandatory signs. Today in Part 2 we'll cover prohibitory signs, informational and guide signs and construction signs. Let's dive in. Prohibitory signs restrict specific actions. Ignoring them can be dangerous or illegal. Here are some examples. No overtaking sign prohibits overtaking on certain road stretches, often marked with 2 cars and a red diagonal line. No horn sign prohibits honking in quiet zones like schools or hospitals. No left or right turn sign restricts turning in the indicated direction. No pedestrian entry sign indicates areas where pedestrians are not allowed. No vehicle entry sign prohibits vehicles from entering specific areas, often used in pedestrian zones. Weight limit sign restricts vehicles over a specified weight, such as 7.5 t. Informational and guide signs help drivers navigate roads and locate services. Examples include highway route marker indicates highway numbers or names like A1 or M25. Exit signs show the exit number and direction on highways. Distance markers inform drivers of distances to upcoming destinations. Parking signs direct drivers to parking areas, often marked with a white P on a blue background. Hospital signs, blue signs with a white H, indicate nearby hospitals. Tourist attraction signs, brown signs point to parks, historical sites, or monuments. Rest area signs indicate places for drivers to rest or refuel. Construction signs warn of roadwork or maintenance ahead. Examples include Men at Work sign indicates ongoing road work. Detour sign directs drivers to temporary routes. Road closed sign informs drivers of a completely closed road. Lane closed sign warns of partial lane closures due to construction. Flagman Ahead sign alerts drivers to road work managed by a flagman. Traffic signs ensure safe and efficient road use. With these examples, you're now better equipped to understand and follow them. If this video was helpful, like and share it with others. Don't forget to subscribe for more automotive tips and road safety content. Drive safe and see you in the next video.